Hey again guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you 4 products that I currently use in all of my daily makeup routines, and I will also show you how I use one of them. So first, obviously I have this product in just about every single one of my videos. It is the Rimmel Stay Matte Foundation in the shade Deep Mocha 504. It's really moussey. I don't know if you can kind of maybe see the consistency. Oh. So it's very thick, and it goes on really smooth. And this, honestly, this much will do an entire side of my face, the lower half. So probably this much will do like from here all the way over, and then I'll like do a little dot more for my forehead and then more for this side. That's kind of how I like break up my face. But yeah, I usually buy this at Walmart. It is less than $10. Actually, I think it's right at $10. So this is a really great product. It is lightweight and it does say shine control on the packaging, because I know for people like me with oily/oily combination skin, I need something that has minimal oil so that my face isn't really super oily all day. The next thing I'm going to show you is, it's not my favorite mascara, but it is a really affordable and also easy to use mascara. It is the Extra Super Lash by Rimmel. Comes in a package like this, a package of 2 for I think like $6 or $7. So yeah, this one hasn't even, I've had this, I probably used it for like a month or 2 now. That's the wand, and a lot of product comes out on it, so I really don't even need to like keep dipping, which is nice. But it's by Rimmel. It's one of my favorites. I've been buying it for years now. So another one of my, it's not really a product, but it's a Wet n Wild brush. I love this brush. I got it actually at Five Below in my city, and I believe it was $5. It's a really nice brush. I use it for a lot of stuff. I'm about to show you how I use it with my 4th favorite product, which is the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Translucent Powder. This is just amazing. I'm just going to show you how I use it. So here's how it looks when I take the can off. It came with the little sticker over it and the holes, and I just kind of dump it out over time. So what I do is, I don't dip into this. I'll take this brush here and I'll lightly tap like that much. That's all I need. And then I take the lid, tap this into the lid like that, and then I'll take the face of the brush and dab it in like so. And then I just kind of use it in place of blotting, because it gives me a nice finish. It doesn't take off any makeup like a blotting pad kind of has the potential to. And it just gets rid of my oil. An option could also be to blot before doing this. That way you're not just covering the oil, but you're taking the oil off and then basically retouching your skin. So that's how it looks when I'm finished. I'm no longer a glazed donut, but yeah, I really love this product. This is probably one of my favorite products that I would recommend to just about everybody, especially people with oily skin. This as well, Rimmel has a great foundation. I've always loved mousse foundation, so this one was right up my alley. And then the Rimmel mascara is great. It's not the best mascara, but it definitely is worth what it cost. I'll say it like that. It is definitely affordable. Like I said, it comes in a pack of 2 for like, I don't know, around $8 or less. It's probably not even $8. But it definitely comes in black. That's the color I get, and it gets the job done. I mean, I love using it, so. And then also my Wet n Wild brush from Five Below. Those are the 4 products that I use in just about every single makeup routine that I do. I will link them in the description box for you guys so you can take a look at them for yourselves if you want, or if you want to purchase them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next one.